You come across a sheet full of warm, freshly baked, delicious-smelling cookies. Nobody's around. Do you take one? No, it's not right. But maybe one wouldn't hurt? After all, there are a whole bunch. Let's take a step back here. Why was it bad to take a cookie? You probably wouldn't go to jail or be tortured for taking a cookie. What is the source of these feelings? Psychologist Lawrence Kohlberg claimed to have an answer, fittingly called Kohlberg's stages of moral development, a way of explaining moral growth from children to adults. Children have a pre-conventional level of morality, stages 1 and 2, where what's right is in essence what they can get away with or what benefits them. So there would be no issue taking the warm, delicious cookie. Into adolescence and adulthood, the scene shifts to conventional morality, stages 3 and 4. Morality is based on obeying rules that keep good relationships and keep the social order intact. This is precisely why most people wouldn't yell at a teacher or trespass on private property, even though none of those things are seriously harming anyone. After that enters post-conventional morality, stages 5 and 6. In stage 5, people realize that rules exist for the greater good, but there are occasions where they ought to be broken. While in stage 6, a person has their own set of morals and chooses those over what society has established. These two final stages are usually uncommon in society, and according to the theory, are the true free thinkers. Although this theory sounds like it should fit, especially in the earlier stages, there are some criticisms. The studies were conducted to fit Western culture, which may not apply elsewhere in the world. There was a lack of diversity among participants. All participants were boys between the ages of 10 and 16, so how Kohlberg figured out post-conventional morality among the subjects is murky. Also, people could easily claim to be more morally conscious than they actually are, and the scenarios in the study were hypothetical. Either way, it's by far the most popular theory of moral development, and certainly holds some truth, although it's theoretical at times. Every once in a while, you gotta eat that cookie. And until next time, thanks for watching.
Rules in action. Rules that keep things going smoothly and fairly.